warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurfirsa Rais from the Faculty of Maritime Technology and my study program is Fishing Port Management. So I will read B11.3 briefing on navigational aids and equipment status. Number 1, port side or starboard side radar is at miles range scale. Number 2, the radar is relative head up or north up or cross up. Drew motion north up or cross up. Number 3, GPS or LORAN is or is not in operation. Number 4, echo sounder is at meters range scale. Number 4.1, the echo sounder recording as unreliable. Number 5, I change to manual or automatic steering at UTC. Number 6, navigation lights are switched on or off. That's all from me. I apologize if there were any mispronounced word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.